digital marketing is such a fast growing industry that if you have skills in digital marketing, you are going to be in high demand. You're also going to have an amazing time setting up a business and a digital agency, as I have. So what I want to do today is show you some resources that you can use to get trained absolutely free. I'm going to show you 3 resources that you can get absolutely free training on how to become a digital marketing professional. Okay, are you ready? So let's get right into it. The first resource is from Facebook. Now, Facebook, also known as Meta, has a online training that they call Facebook Blueprint, or now Meta Blueprint. And with Meta Blueprint, it is absolutely free to take all of the training, but you do have to pay to get certified. So let's first look at the online courses. So to find it, all you have to do is go to facebook.com/business/learn. So facebook.com/business/learn. And what we're going to do first is we're going to click on online courses, and then you'll see all these tutorials, learning about Instagram, targeting the right audience, increasing sales. Absolutely amazing. So much training. And I do notice that they update it frequently. So really nice to see here. And now, when you're on this page, you can also click on certifications. It was a tab at the top. And then let me just get into it, the certification hub right here. So you can watch the videos on, more information on what it is, but you can also see these are the little certificate banners that you get that you'll be able to place on your social media. And then you can see certifications by role. So the different types of certification programs they have. Let me go back over here to certifications. So I'm just connecting to it from that original page, facebook.com/business learn. I clicked on certifications. Do it one more time so you can see, just because I like how this is organized over here. But here are the different certifications you can get. So associate. This means you are a certified digital marketing associate, or the professional certified marketing science professional, or the creative strategy professional, the media planning professional, the media buying professional. Oh my gosh, so much going on here, right? The Meta certified marketing developer, certified community manager. A lot of my students are doing community management, so I'm definitely going to recommend that to them. And the certified Sparks AR creator. So you sign up for it. It does have a cost when you're taking the test. So there is a test cost. I believe that it's under $200. But let's say you want to do the community manager. So the exam is 105 minutes, and they even give you the resources to get started. So, they tell you to do Meta Blueprint. You can take a 30-minute practice test, which you definitely should take. And you can also view their study guide. So if you go through the study guide, it definitely helps you with what everything is about. You can, download it and kind of go at your own speed and read it, so that this one's 81 pages, but so that you're ready to take the test. They make it pretty easy for you to get certified. So pay attention to that. So they even give you an exam outline, the different things that will be on the exam, the process overview. So you know everything about taking the exam and the process of taking the exam. And then even the exam policies. So when you're taking the exam, you can't be using your phone, all that kind of stuff, but you can see everything about the exam right there and how to prepare for it. So now, do you have to take the exam? No, you do not have to take the exam if you do not want to, but you can at least take the courses so that you can build up your learning. And as you're working in your business, or if you work for someone and you're using this to build up your career, you can let them know what courses you've taken in Facebook Blueprint. But I definitely recommend, if you can, invest in getting certified. Okay, yay. So your first resource is Meta Blueprint, absolutely free courses to take, but you do have to pay the exam fee for your certification. Now, the next free resource is from HubSpot. And if you go to HubSpot.com or you Google HubSpot's free digital marketing certification, you can find their free certification course. So they're going to teach you in this certification course some different things about digital marketing. And it's 9 lessons, 37 videos, 11 quizzes, and a total of 4 hours. You can watch their preview video about it, but they even show you the course curriculum at the bottom. Absolutely amazing. Now, they do ask you some questions when you sign up, like what's your website and what's your business name. So, if you work for someone, you'll put in that business information. If you work for yourself, put in your business information. So get certified in digital marketing from HubSpot. Now, can you stack these certifications? Get certified by Facebook, get certified by HubSpot, of course. Now let's go to the last certification in digital marketing that I love, which is the Google Ads certification. So if you go over to Skillshop, I'm on Skillshops right now, I'm inside of my account, you can see that there is a whole section for Google Ads certification. So you can earn different certificates. So a Google Ad search certificate, Google Ad display, Google Ad measurement, Google Ad video, Google Apps, shopping ads, Google Ads creative certification. So an amazing girl on my team is doing our Google Ads for us. And this is part of where she learned. She learned from another team member, but also this is part of where she learned how to do Google Ads. And then she got certified. So now as we're talking to our agency, or we're talking about our agency, we can say that we have people in our agency who are Facebook certified and Google Ads certified. So it definitely up levels our agency. So you, as somebody working in an agency or for a business, or an entrepreneur working for yourself, it's nice to continue to learn. And I hope that these free resources will really help you in upskilling yourself when it comes to everything digital marketing. So take Facebook Blueprint, take the HubSpot digital certification, and definitely take 1 or 2 of the Google Ads certification and build up your knowledge base and your portfolio. That's it. Bye for now.